Hi everyone, Stephanie here on a Wednesday evening. I am here to provide you with a quick tour of everything I have gained so far in a language app that I have found to be pretty helpful on my learning path here, and it is called Duolingo. For this evening, I will be presenting the tour through a screencast on my laptop, but the app can also be downloaded on your mobile device, but we'll get into that later. So we'll go ahead and type in Duolingo. You need to sign in. Signing up for the website or the app is free, so you can do that either through email, Facebook, or even Google. So I'll go ahead and log in. And we will be taken to the home page of Duolingo. So a fact about Duolingo, it is a free learning website and app that offers languages such as Latin American, Spanish, French, German, and numerous other courses for English speakers. It also provides American English for Spanish, French, German, and other nationalities. It is available on the web, iOS, and Android platforms. So a few things that I have noticed about Duolingo is that as an app on a mobile device, your main screen will look a bit more condensed than what we see here on the web version. So certain features that we see along the top here and down the right-hand column, those will be found under menus in the app, but they are still there. Duolingo provides users with different skills to complete, and these skills are formatted in what Duolingo likes to call the language tree. So in order to move on, you need to complete one skill to get to the next level. So there are numerous skills. We've got basics, phrases, food, clothing, and right now, I am past adverbs, places, the two different verbs, estar and ser, that mean to be, and I am currently at the future verb tense. So as this progresses, I do hope to be a bit further down the language tree here. So one must complete each lesson if they are to advance to the next, and you can do this by completing a lesson with at least one heart left. So if I was in the third present verb skill here, we see that there are 10 different lessons to be completed. So I need to complete lesson 1 with at least one heart left if I want to continue on to lesson 2. If you're wondering why some of my skills are gold and some look incomplete, well, you either use it or you lose it, right? So the longer I stay away, the more lessons that are taken away. So this mimics kind of the knowledge that I'm losing the longer I don't come back to use this skill. So it's just a reminder to come back. And practice makes perfect, right? So along the top, there were two things I wanted to show you. There is a day streak that measures that. Either on a one-day streak, that's today when I came back. I hope that also advances in numbers. This diamond is a lingot. Pressing on that will take us to the store, and I'll provide you with a description of what that diamond is. So it is the Duolingo virtual currency. The more you learn on Duolingo, the more lingots you'll receive and be able to use in the store. So they can be earned in a few different ways here, and if you're interested, you can read that. So their lingots can be used as a heart refill. So like I said, you need to complete your lesson with at least one heart. This could save you. If you realize at the end of the day you haven't practiced on Duolingo and you just don't have the energy, well, you can keep your really high streak with this streak freeze. One thing I really like is this idioms that you can buy. So learn how to say it's raining cats and dogs and other phrases in Spanish. So, one thing I have noticed about the web version of Duolingo is that it does not feature a lot of speaking practice, whereas the app version does. So speaking practice in the app includes just listening, so no words are there to be read. You just listen to a sentence or a phrase and you dictate it back, and it measures your pronunciation. You get 4 to 5 tries to get it, and if you're not quite pronouncing it right, it will just move on to the next question. One thing I like about Duolingo is that it provides the information of your chosen language in a variety of different ways, which is just what we like in our classrooms. We like to present information in different ways for all of our different learners. So things are either presented where you need to translate Spanish to English, translate English to Spanish. There are pictures to be labeled, and there is multiple choice. And if you are on the app, then you can practice speaking. So those were just a few of the things I have learned with Duolingo. If you found this helpful, I hope you find a language to learn. Thanks for watching.